everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to this online class. Before starting the chapter, I will introduce syllabus of 10th standard CBSE. Syllabus of 10th standard CBSE, there are 7 units. First unit is number system, in that real numbers. Second unit is algebra, in that polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations and arithmetic progression. Unit 3 is coordinate geometry. Unit 4 is geometry, in that triangles, circles and construction. Unit 5 is trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry. Next, unit 6 is mensuration, areas related to circle, surface areas and volumes. Unit 7 is statistics and probability. Unit wise, how you will get the marks, that I will say here. Unit first, for number system you will get 6 marks. For algebra you will get 20 marks. Coordinate geometry will get 6 marks. Geometry will get 15 marks. Trigonometry will get 12 marks. Mensuration will get 10 marks. And statistics and probability will get 11 marks. This is all about syllabus. Next we will see first unit number system, in that real numbers. We will see real numbers. Before starting syllabus, first we will see basic types of numbers. You are already familiar about this all. Types of numbers. Types of numbers. Types of numbers. In that, first one is natural number. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are natural numbers. Smallest natural number is 1. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are whole numbers. In whole numbers, again we divide the numbers as odd, even, prime and composite. See, you know odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, these are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. Prime numbers, a number which divide by 1 and itself, these numbers are prime numbers. For example, 3. 3 is divided by 1, 3 is divided by 3. Or again any one number can divide this 3? No, these numbers are prime numbers which divided by 1 and itself, these are prime numbers. Next, composite number. Whole numbers which can divided by other than 1 and itself. These numbers divided by other than 1 and itself. Next number is integers. On number line, how we write the numbers? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are integers. These are negative integers. These are positive integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers which is of the form of p by q. Here q is not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, these are rational numbers. Next one is irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational number which is not of the form of p by q. Irrational number which is not of the form of p by q means, for example, √3, √5, these are irrational numbers. Next, come to our chapter name is real number. Next is real numbers. Which are real numbers here? Both rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Both rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. In real numbers, next point is Euclid's division algorithm. Real numbers means which numbers? Rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. In this real numbers, next point is Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid is a mathematician who is a founder of geometry and father of geometry. Division process. 6 2s are 12. This is division. Algorithm means procedure. Here Euclid given one statement, that is A is equal to D into Q plus R. R is lies in between 0 and D. Look here, 6 is divisor. This 6 is divisor and this 12 is dividend. This 2 is quotient and this 0 is remainder. Here our remainder is either equal to 0 or greater than 0 and less than divisor. By using Euclid's division algorithm, we will solve the problems. Before solving problems, one more word, lemma. We will see lemma means what. Lemma is a already proven statement. That one we will use to prove another statement. Lemma is a already proven statement. That one we will use to prove another statement. By using Euclid's division algorithm, we'll find out the HCF of given numbers. By using Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of 1656 and 4025 by Euclid's division algorithm. By Euclid's division algorithm. How to solve? Look here, solution. Which one greatest number is here? 4025. Greatest number is 4025. Smallest number is 1656. Consider that is divisor and this one is dividend. You know this. 16 2s are 32. I will take 2 here. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 6 are 12. 10 plus 1 13. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. In multiplication we add the numbers, but here we subtract the numbers. 5 minus 2 3. 2 minus 1 1. This will become 10 and this 10. This is 7 0. Is it equal to 0? Remainder is equal to 0? No. We will consider this remainder is divisor and first divisor is divided. Again divide here. Here I will take 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 7 2s are 14. Subtraction 0 3 2 0. Is it equal to 0 or remainder is equal to 0? No. Again this one we have to consider as a divisor and the second divisor we will consider here dividend. Here 3 2s are 6. I will take 3. 3 into 0 0. Any number is multiplied by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, we will get 0 only. 3 into 3 9. 3 2s are 6. Subtraction here 3 11 6. This will become to 0. 23 is equal to 0? No. Again we will consider this remainder as divisor and first divisor, that but divided. 23 10s are 2 30. 0 0. We got here remainder is 0, 0. Now we have to write the HCF. How to write HCF of this? Where our remainder is 0, that first divisor we have to take as HCF. Hence HCF of 1656 and 4025 is 23. Our HCF is 23. I hope you understand this. If you like this, please share and subscribe. In next video, we will see problems on this and fundamental theorem of arithmetic.